律师
Ma'am, saan kita maduman, ma'am?
Sa Atok Benguet.
Saan sa Atok?
Losong? Kuya, saan?
Ayun na, nakaano na. Basta makarating tayo doon.
Ganyan kuya ba kapag sa science oriented, tapos magbibigay ng mga ano ba yan? Sobrang mga work study. Nanay tataw kung sisay si Machila.
Oh,
Goodness. Sisay nagadang kay Machila, sila Pulapo. Ayan ang mga basic.
no.
Philippine history. Ma'am, join ko yung Gab na. Gab, antayin mo si Mabo. Ang sunod ba siya? Baka lang yung isang side comments.
Perfect ang pagdidining niyan kasi summertime. So, ang mga burak talagang marambong. Okay yun. Ooh, I see it. I wanna take a photo with Jabi. Ask them if we can pay through GCash. Maverick, how much money do you have? Auntie, I'll give you. 100. Oh, sige na. So cute.
Can you like set pa?
Sabi ni Maverick, haliyon na ang glass. So, eyeglasses kang ayam.
1, 2, hi Terry.
Hi, Jabby. Bye, Jabby. Oh, Jabby. He was really cute. Also, he didn't also bite us when we were gonna take a picture.
Oy, ang mother.
Hindi kasi dadaanan natin dito.
Oh, barya lang. Ay, naku, nagkagurutong tulos. Ito yung complimentary coffee and muffin nila. O, diba? Kamusta experience, Linda? Magayon?
Yes.
Ikaw, ma? Magayon?
Very nice and wonderful.
Anong experience pag CR digdi sa malipot na
Ang
lugar?
lamig ng ano,
Ang ano?
ng bowl. Napaka-refreshing siya pagbukas mo ng Kaya na-experience natin umihin lang sa Benguet.
Lunch time. Nata, lilipot ka, Kuya Gab? Ito, main road na ito. Halsema Highway. Yan. Mapasagada ka dyan ka maagi. Good afternoon. You want the flies to eat?
Yeah, I don't want them to get killed.
Okay.
They're my precious animals.
Okay.
That's what Jesus created, or is it God who created those?
Yeah.
Jesus or God?
God.
Oh, okay. God created those.
You're so friendly to the flies. Why? You love them?
Yeah, I love all the animals.
I love animals. Are flies animals?
They're
They
dogs.
count as animals.
They are bugs.
Yeah, they are also animals,
Yeah,
even if
consider
they're
animals.
bugs.
That's a category. Bugs.
Categorically, they are bugs.
They're also animals.
Maganda. Ay, tama man.
Oh yeah, they're
Bye! Our northern homes. See you again. Bago ka mag-exit, igusindang souvenir shop digdi. So yun. Pwede ka mag-park duman. Tapos, sa restaurant, yan, Palao. Tapos mo yan, under construction na yun para sa mga function rooms nila. Pabalik-balik na kami, digdi. As in, super favorite meaning lugar na yun. Help, Auntie Au!
Too many calls, Kat.
Kuha kong tinabangan. Kinuha na. Sumagamit.
Smart!
Very smart. Sabi, very big. Cannot. I choose my bottle.
Oo. Smart. Pero madalas kami magbagyo pero di pa daw ako nakadigdi. Sabi ni Au, tourist spot la ini. Ini na? Wala. Yun na, ne? Oh. So do you consider yourself a what?
A Gen Z. A Gen Z.
Huh?
I'm not Gen Alpha because I don't speak brain rot now. Gen Alpha.
Bibingka or putubongbong or both?
Gen Z.
Pwede, dua. Bibingka, putubongbong, tokot baboy.
Yeah. Hey, why are you recording naked? Why are you recording me naked again?
Is bathtub your favorite?
Oh yes.
Yes,
But
why?
Stop recording me naked. That's so embarrassing.
Yeah. I am not recording, your tooth.
Oh my god, it's just the bathtub is really nice actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the best thing I've ever been in my life.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's even better than swimming. I'm not sure.
Okay. Have fun.
Okay, I'll have fun.
Okay.